In our quest to become ever more efficient online teachers, let's look at how you can quickly change assignment dates for your course. For example, wanting to change a large number of assignments due date, or the available from or the available until date. Canvas allows us to do that on a single page instead of opening them up individually. So let's take a look at that now. So here I'm just in one of my courses, and to change the due date, what I want to do is I want to go to my assignments index page. Okay, so I'm just going to click right here in the left side. And here, this just lists out all my assignments. And what I want to do next is I want to click this upper 3-dot menu, and I want to click Edit Assignment Dates. This is going to bring us to all the assignments that we have in our course, and it's listing out the due date, the available from, and the available until date. So if I wanted to add a date or change a date, all I have to do is find which assignment that I have. So for example, this quiz right here, I'm going to change that from October 16th to October 21st, and I'm going to lock it down available until that after October, let's say 26th, they can't access it anymore. And I can continue to do that for each one of them. I can, if there's already a date, I can revert back to a change that was already there. So let's say I made that and I don't want that. I can just click there and it goes back to where it was originally. As well, I can use this to batch change my assignments. So let's say I wanted 1, 2, and 3. I can select everything from here, December 8th. Let's go back further. Let's go back to October 5th. And then we will go to October 21st and apply. Okay, so you see that it changed it from the ones I had physically selected to just the ones that were within that date range. Okay, so right here. Now I'm going to click Batch Edit. And that actually allows me to shift the dates. So let's say, for example, I have set up my course so that it will automatically have those dates, but then for some reason, maybe there's no school, or for whatever reason you've had to push those dates out. Instead of going in and individually editing, I can just say I'm going to shift those dates 3 days. I'm going to hit OK, and you can see that changed, and I'll show you it reverts back. So from October 12th, it had changed from October 9th. Okay, and so that's what you can do. Okay, so this is a great tool. Let's make use of it to save ourselves some time. And of course, we're going to hit save. Cheers.